Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Instant filtration on the go? Waterdrop has sold me again. I love this machine. Fresh, crystal clear drinking water in seconds with just the touch of a button. This is smart water filtration, and I love that I can take it anywhere with me, like sitting on my nightstand or the kitchen counter or in the refrigerator for nice, crisp, cool water. Maybe going for a workout or hanging out by the pool. I really like the handle, and I do think it's nice and sturdy for carrying around. I appreciate that it's Type-C charging, and then it has this rubber seal to protect it from water. Last but definitely not least, I'm grateful for the power indicator right here that tells me when it's time to charge. And another indicator will let you know when it's time to replace the filter. So you always have nice, fresh water.
And that's my point of view.